Hello friends, good evening. How are you all? Today topic is love yourself. All the knowledge we have, all the wisdom we have, we share it with people whom we love. Because we want to see them in a good mood, but we don't share it a very good relationship with ourselves. And that's why when we hurt, wrong talking, wrong things to ourselves, other people say that, don't take it personally. To ourselves we will say, how can not take it personally? Other people said that, it's not about you. To ourselves, obviously it was about me. He said it about me. So we have a very different conversation with other people, and so very different conversation to ourselves. Because about them, we want them to forgive, and we want them to be happy. But to ourselves, we live like a victim. We live like a victim who believes that when people hurt me, I have a right to be in pain. And that's why I must first allows me to start loving myself. Because the first relationship that I will create with myself, and I start loving myself, and I start respecting myself, then what people said about me will not affect me. Because I know myself. For an example, if somebody says fat to a thin girl, I think she won't mind. Will she mind? Maybe she will laugh. Because she's thin. Just laugh like this when somebody says something about you. Somebody says about you, you're perfect man. You says that, no, I'm not perfect. Then why you agree when someone says that about your mistakes? Then why we dependent on people to talk about us, me or myself?